this noise in the rear. It's the loudest right about 40. It kind of gets a higher pitch, changes with speed. It's about 40, kind of loud resonance. It gets to a higher pitch as you go faster. I don't know if that's a tire. I put a different tire on it and it makes the same noise. I'm thinking wheel bearing. I believe that's an original wheel bearing back there. 231,000 miles on it. Would a wheel bearing make that kind of noise? It doesn't seem to vary on turns, but there is a bit of a scraping noise. So there may be some play in that bearing. So I'm not really sure.